Okay, so this video we're going to talk about how to install the product. Now, you would have received this file here, Cyberspy Intel Station. That's the name of the product. Now you're going to open this as a zip file, so many of you are going to know how to open up a zip file, but for those of you who don't, you can get a program like WinZip, which is free, or WinRAR. So WinZip, W-I-N-Z-I-P, or WinRAR, W-I-N-R-A-R. Those are both programs free to download, and this would help you open up the file. So I'm double clicking it. I'm using WinRAR to do that. And then here you have a bunch of different files. What you're going to do is click on Setup, and I have a security program that asks me if I want to run it, and I click yes. So do I want to install this? Yes. I want to click next, and this is where it's going to install it. Now I have a 64-bit computer, so it's going to put it in C program files x86. You might just have it go to C program files. It depends on your operating system. I'm running Windows 7, so I'm going to click next. I want to install it. Next. And it's going to install the program. It's going to take a minute to come on there. Now, as you can notice in the background, I have some links. I'm also going to bring those over, but I'm going to show you in 1 second what to do. So I close it. It's done. Now, once that's done, you go to your program files here. You go to your computer icon or My Computer. You go to C, and then either program files or program files x86, depending on what your version is. And now you're going to have this folder here called Cyberspy Intel Station. Now, you don't need to go in here every time, but here's the executable. This is going to run the program. Now, you can either run it from here by double-clicking on it, or you can create a shortcut. So I'm going to right mouse click on it and click Create Shortcut, and then I'm going to bring that to my desktop. Delete my old version there. Okay, there's my icon to run it. Now, these files here, these HTML files, I'm going to click on each one of those. I'm going to hold down my control button and click on each one of these files and bring them over. Just drag and put it into the folder. Alright, now these are all the files with the preset links. Okay, if I want to change the links, all I do is right mouse click on one of the files and click Open. Actually, Open With, and I'm going to open it with Notepad or open it up with Word, depending on what you want to do. If I do it with Notepad, I can change it. So here's all of the different links depending on which tab I chose, and I can change any one of them. I can just change it here, just change literally the URL, and then there is what it's going to show in the program. If I want to add another one, I can just copy one of the lines here, Control C for copy, and come down here, Control V, and then there's the same thing, and I can change it. I can go to my website. If I want to go to Craigslist Millions, which is my website, just type it in, the URL, and then put in what I want to show it, Craigslist Millions. And now when we go to this tab, the Internet Marketing Links tab, we're going to see it there. So that's how you change the links or add another one. If I wanted to change one that's there, I could just simply highlight it again and just change it, so that I could change any of the ones that are here. Now it might be best too that if you copy these files from the beginning, copy them, save them somewhere, so that if you make a mistake or something, you can always go back to the original files. So just copy them, place them somewhere else, or keep the original zip file. So that's how you do it, and then you just double click on the exe here. Here's the program. So if I click on Internet Marketing Resources, which is the one I was editing, there's my Craigslist Millions that I just added on there, just like that. And it's installed. Now, using the program, I just click on whatever I want. If I want to go to Craigslist Millions, I just click on it, and there it is. There's my website popping up. I can minimize the screen.
Hi, this is Dean Graziosi.
Alright, there's my website. I can click on any of these sites. I can click back on here and bring the screen up here. Now I want to go to the news resources. I click on news resources, then there's all my links again. If I want to minimize the whole program, I can do that. There it is. Or I can bring it back up. And there it is again. And close it down. And I'm out. Just bring it back up. There it is. Click on one of the links. There they are again. So I can also close it too. If I want to just have it part of my screen, I can manipulate how it looks. So I can have it over here on the side. Maybe I just want to have my links right here. There I go. Now I can just click on the links I want. All the time have it up. That's pretty cool too. So that's the whole point, is to be able to have your links where you want it, when you want it, have as many links as you want. More than you'd ever want to use. Have these preset links. So very powerful. And that's the program. Simple, effective. Enjoy.